Is going on, guys? In today's video we are going to do a quick unboxing of this rear bumper protector for the XC60. Now here's how the package came from. I ordered from the company, US based company, OMAC or OMAC. It's a little bit different here from the packaging, but I believe it's the same product that was advertised. Put this away. Alright, so here's the product in itself. It's plastic wrapped, sealed, comes with a primer, I'm assuming that's alcohol, pads, instructions, and 3M tape. I can't confirm it's 3M tape or not, but it surrounds a whole product, and it's not too flimsy. Thinner than I expected, but then again, I'm not sure how thick the OEM product is compared to this aftermarket. But let's go ahead and just do a quick fitment. Right here, there is a ledge, or like a curvature right here to the bumper. It should be good. Overall fitment looks on par. Alright, so far it's passing all the initial tests. And looking back, here is how it looks. Volvo actually comes with the OEM product like this, and also like kind of like a brush aluminum satin chrome valance and your quad tail pipe caps. So yeah, let's go ahead and just do this quick fitment and see how it goes. All right, before and after. Alright, so the test fitment, let's go ahead and see if I can close it first. It should be pretty much centered. Let's go ahead and just close the hatch. Make sure it closes. Alright, so that should be good. Alright, so we are going to remove the tape. Now this right here is pretty good quality tape. It's clear, it's kind of like silicone-like. So I think I have pretty high confidence that this will be sticking on long term. Alright, we're gonna remove that. We're gonna remove this. This one definitely remove because this one's all the way inner, so you have to remove this fully. It's getting very sticky here. Be very careful where to line it. Oh, it is sticking on real good. Be very careful. Probably should have left some of the tape. So this is on, just to make sure this is pushed in all the way, like so. Right. Alright guys, so here is everything all set and finished. The sun is not shining at the piece anymore, so it's not reflecting. Just go ahead and just do a quick wipe down of it. Now overall, again, this was pretty much a hassle-free install. The instructions that came with it was very nice, straightforward, easy to understand, just like an IKEA furniture product. And overall, again, just a few tips. just mask off everything, especially the top center, your left side, and also your right side. Now, given that, your contact points, I wouldn't recommend. I try to do it by leaving some of the red backing on the contact point in itself, so you could easily maneuver it afterwards, after fitting it, just in case. But I decided to go against it because of how strong this adhesive was. So I don't want to risk leaving a piece of red tape here, pulling it and having it snap, and then leaving a red tape here, which compromises the whole adhesive property of this silicone tape, I'm assuming. But given that, it's very strong, and I have pretty high confidence that this will be here for the long haul, especially if you have maybe like dirt or sand or whatnot getting under here. It's not going to go ahead and take this whole part away or remove the whole part over time. So overall, I think quality-wise as well, it's nice. It goes ahead and keeps with the overall theme of the R design. Well, not really the tailpipes, that's chrome, but like your window trims, your roof rails, and your mirror caps. All right, and actually also this piece right here. So this is kind of brushed aluminum as well. So if I lift the cargo cover over, you can see. And also protects any type of, if I pull out the stroller, it's not going to go ahead and mar up the clear coat on this bumper. And pricing wise as well, I think is also cheaper and also faster shipping than any type of AliExpress merchants I researched. But again, any other questions, I think, as always, check on the description down below. I'll link it. Shipping wise, it's great. This was fully safely shipped because of this right here. All right, it's a very hard ABS plastic type of shipping container. Also is double boxed. All right, the only downside, I guess, was, and this is the only downside I think, was the primer that came with it, but it was dry on arrival. So this part of it was open. The plastic part was kind of sealed, but once I kind of opened the plastic part, everything inside was kind of just dried up. So it came like this, sealed, but there was like a tear on the side. But I don't think I need it. I think the glue in itself would hold fine. But overall, that's pretty nice. All right, if you guys have any questions, of course, I'm going to link the product in the description down below. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm just going to go and close up the hatch. And very nice, of course. Okay, so again, take care, guys. And as always, stay safe.